Mind focus, camera 1, camera 2, camera 1, camera 2. We in focus. We in focus. That's how I get myself hyped for the video. Let's get it. What up, squad? It's your boy CKid here, man. Now, before we actually get into the good, the bad, and the ugly new leaks that has come out about the Galaxy S22 Ultra, I told y'all, man, these bad boys just keep rolling on in. Y'all know the rules by now, man. Go ahead and comment down below right now how many likes is on this video at the time of you guys are watching it. And let's go ahead and run this one up to 10K views in a day, baby, like we did in the last one. And shout out to the squad for running that one up, y'all. I love y'all. All right, y'all. So today, y'all, we got some good news about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Then we got some bad news as well. So let's go ahead and start off with the bad news first. There are two things I want to talk with you guys about. Number one, when it comes to the base RAM option on the S22 Ultra, you will be getting only 8 gigabytes of RAM versus the 12 gigabyte option that was given to us on the S21 Ultra. So I'm not sure this has anything to do with the chip shortage or anything like that, or this is just the way of giving us the good news that I have to share with y'all later in this video. So definitely make sure you guys stick around for that. Either way, man, you can still purchase the 12 gigabyte or the 16 gigabyte RAM version. You just gonna have to pay a little bit extra, ducats, shillings, skrilla, a little bit more money out your pockets. But if I'm being honest, right, yeah, I'm gonna agree with y'all. Yes, it does suck with them not keeping the base models the same as we got on the S21 Ultra. But me and you, let's just have a conversation, right? 8 gigabytes of RAM on a smartphone these days, y'all, is literally more than enough than you need. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. It would have been nice to get 12 as the base, and honestly, 12 is cool, but is 12 really needed? I don't know, it depends, but I feel like today, man, the RAM management on these smartphones today is actually really good, and I feel like with Samsung, with this device, it's not gonna be any different. But again, you do got the option, you know, shell out a little bit more money for that 12 gig or that 16 gig. 12 I think is cool, but 16, I think it's a little overkill, if I'm being honest. All right, y'all, now on to that number two bad or just the sad news that I gotta share with y'all is that we will most likely not be getting the micro SD card slot for expanding your storage option from the base model that you guys will be purchasing. Now, to a certain degree, this is kind of expected because look, Samsung has parted ways with this literally since the Note 10 Plus. I think it was even the S20 models. Now this was kind of expected that we really weren't going to see this being brought back to the S22 Ultra model. Although, not gonna lie, would have been kind of dope to see. But yeah, this is not happening. Now, I know a lot of you people out there, this is a big deal. And to some people, this is a deal breaker. But to me, y'all, I'm personally okay with just purchasing the storage tier. To me, that actually makes sense. Yeah, I know it's gonna cost me a little bit more ducats, a little bit more shillings, a little bit more skrilla, but it's nothing like having the freedom of the space on your phone, knowing that you can save whatever you want without any limitations. So do a trick like I do, right? Before I buy a new phone, I take my current device, I go to settings, I go to device care, and I go to storage. And in there, you can just see how much storage you actually use on your old phone, and then just use that to determine if you need less or more storage. You're welcome. You know, that's what I'm here for. So let's go ahead and talk about the good news on the S22 Ultra. Now, this one, y'all, I'm personally hyped for. Now, according to a known leaker, John Prosser, it is rumored that the pricing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be as follows. Galaxy S22 will be $799, the S22 Plus will be $999, and the S22 Ultra will be $1,199. Now, depending on how deep your pockets are, this is actually great news because y'all know how Samsung be getting down. They love just raising prices for no reason. So to see that the prices will not be increasing is actually really dope. And my pockets, you know, I thank y'all, Samsung, especially since I will be shelling out a whole lot of money scooping up all 3 of these devices here for the channel. So y'all definitely better have them notifications turned on and ready to share these videos too, because, you know, it's about to go down. But overall, y'all, man, I'm hyped for this phone, man, and its release because it's literally the first major phone drop of the year. And like I said before, y'all, I will be dropping a ton of videos right here on the channel, man, around these phones, and I'll be your one-stop shop literally for everything Galaxy S22, the S22 Plus, as well as the Ultra. So if there's something y'all want to see on the channel, man, then go ahead and just let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll go ahead and add it to my video list that I'm building out right now. But let me know, y'all, which one of these phones will y'all personally be picking up, and then let's see, what phone are y'all actually upgrading from? I gotta know that too. All right, squad, I'm out of here. I'm about to go edit this video right here, and I'll see y'all on Monday. Squad.